Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH on the Base network in 2025. If you're diving into the world of blockchain and decentralized finance, knowing how to move your ETH seamlessly is a game changer. The Base network, a Layer-2 solution built on Ethereum, offers faster and cheaper transactions, making it perfect for everyday use. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring ETH like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a compatible wallet set up. I recommend using MetaMask or another popular Ethereum wallet. If you don't have one, download it from the official website and create a new account. Once that's done, you'll need to add the Base network to your wallet. Head over to the Base network's official site, find the network details like the RPC URL and chain ID, and import it into MetaMask. This step ensures your wallet recognizes the Base network. Now, with your wallet ready, fund it with some ETH. You can bridge ETH from the main Ethereum network to Base using a bridge like the official Base bridge. Just connect your wallet, select the amount, and confirm the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes. Keep an eye on gas fees to save costs. Alright, time for the main event, transferring ETH. Open your wallet, switch to the Base network, and navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Enter the recipient's address, double-check it to avoid mistakes, and specify the amount of ETH you want to send. Before hitting Confirm, review the transaction details, including any network fees. Once you're good, approve the transaction and wait for it to process. You'll get a confirmation notification when it's done. A quick word of caution: always use secure connections and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving tech, stay updated on any network upgrades. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH on the Base network. This process not only saves you time but also reduces costs compared to the mainnet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.